is another example on how to convert decimal fractions in base 10 to base 4. Here, we convert 30.4 base 10 to base 4. But the first step is to split the decimal fraction 30.4 into the whole number part and the decimal part. Solution. The whole number part decimal part. The whole number part you have 30, the decimal part you have 0.4. So let's convert separately. To convert 30 to base 4, we draw the table, we divide repeatedly by 4 until further division is no longer possible, then you read the remainders upwards. So let's divide. 4 goes in 30, that's 7. 4 multiplied by 7, 28. And when you take 28 from 30, you have a remainder of 2. We divide again by 4. 4 goes in 7, 1. Remainder 3. Divide again by 4. 4 goes in 1, 0. Remainder 1. Here, further division is no longer possible, so we read the remainder upwards. So here we'll have 132 base 4. Now for the decimal part, to convert decimal part to base 4, we multiply by the base 4 until you have 0 for decimal part or a periodic number, that is recurring numbers. So let's start. Multiply by 4. And here you have 4 multiplied by 4, you have 16. So you write 6, then your decimal points. Because the 16, and there's nothing here, which signifies 0. 0 multiplied by 4, that's 0. Then plus 1, you are bringing to this side, you have 1. This is still not 0, so that means you have to continue. We multiply only the decimal parts as the beginning of the next step. So we multiply only 0.6 by 4. 6 multiplied by 4, you have 224, but you write 4, and you take to the other side. Recall, we are only multiplying the 0.6, the decimal part, by 4, and not the whole of 1.6. So because 6 multiplied by 4 is 24, we just put 2 at this side. Now we are still having 4. What do? We multiply by 4. But recall, they said we can stop when we have recurring numbers. And if you note here, we started with 0.4. Now we're already at 0.4. That means we will continue having the same set of numbers at this side. So we can stop. So here you have points. Read it from the top downwards. The digits at this side. 1, 2. Base 4. This means that our 30.4 base 10 equals, combine the two results for the whole number part and decimal part. 132 points, the decimal part 12 base 4. And that's how to convert decimal fractions in whole number to base 4.